In the small town of Oakwood, nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, there was an unremarkable neighborhood where extraordinary kids quietly made their mark. Ethan, Mia, and Lucas were known as the good kids at Oakwood Elementary, not merely for their academic prowess but for their kindness, creativity, and sense of adventure. Ethan, the eldest, had a head full of bushy curls and a head brimming with ideas. He was the intellectual spark of the group, constantly coming up with new ways to solve problems. Mia was the heart, always empathetic and intuitive, her laughter like a melody that brightened everyone's day. Lucas, though a bit smaller for his age, had a spirit that soared beyond the clouds, fueled by an insatiable curiosity about the world around him. One day, while playing in the park, the trio stumbled upon an old map half buried beneath the roots of an ancient oak tree. The map, tattered and yellowed with age, hinted at hidden treasures buried somewhere within the woods that bordered their town. Excited by the prospect of adventure, the good kids embarked on a journey that required teamwork, intelligence, and bravery. Their adventure took them through dense forests and across rocky streams, unraveling clues that tested both their wits and their bonds. They faced challenges, from deciphering riddles scrawled in faded ink on the back of the map to navigating treacherous paths where one wrong step could end in a tumble. Throughout their journey, they learned the value of trust and persistence, each of their unique traits contributing to their progress. As the sun began to set behind the hills on their third day of exploration, they finally arrived at the location marked with an X on the map. Morgan, a mysterious stranger with a knack for appearing at the most unexpected times, had been shadowing their journey. With a mix of admiration and a touch of envy, Morgan handed them a shovel, urging them to unearth their true treasure. With bated breath, they dug into the earth, uncovering not gold or jewels, but a chest filled with letters and journals from adventurers past, detailing their dreams and discoveries. The good kids realized that their true treasure was the friendships and the memories forged on their quest, and the legacy of dreaming big and daring to venture into the unknown.